Okay, here we are at Saka. It's at South West Atlanta Christian Academy. We're doing a 4-week program teaching GeoAg indoors and outdoors to students. And these are what the students grew in that time right here. This is black eyed peas after 4 weeks. We see here a nice drainage rock from Home Depot. We see that little bit of moist zone at the bottom. That's really where all the activity is happening, is right at that low moist zone. And that's what you have to create in these gravel grow cups. These are black eyed peas after 4 weeks from seed. And so it's doing pretty good. We've also got our lentils. Now this is something you go ahead and chop up now, add it to your salad. Chop it up fine with scissors. This is an example of this particular moist zone. We're using sand at the bottom of this particular cup. We've also obviously recycled plastic. This is a white gravel from Home Depot off Cascade. They also have other black eyed peas. Look at this one, much bigger than that other black eyed peas. And this is the thing about GeoAg, where one cup, the two rocks, when you're going rock to rock, you can really see which rock is doing the most growth. And in this case, it looks like the white gravel. It's got about an inch or so on the drainage rock here. And so that gives us a gauge on which rock we might like best. We look back here of plants we did last week. We see these peas are all doing really well for 7 days. And we also do a comparison to, again, of the white rock and the beige rock. It looks like they're really neck and neck on this one. And here we see the white rock didn't even germinate yet. So we're going to investigate what's happening there. And that's usually a process of digging down or looking to the side to see what's happening to the roots. If they're not growing, they're dying. And so these seeds didn't make it well into the moist zone. And so what tends to happen is the plant will die. The seed will die. If it's not germinating in 7 days, it's dying in 7 days. But when it is germinating, it looks like this. And so these are kidney beans. Now this is super impressive for 7 days because look how tall they are. That's what we really like to see. And that's a really good looking system right there. Really clean looking rock here compared to the white rock, really chalky sometimes. That white rock stains the sides, whereas this beige rock is really good. And so we've got also this kidney beans, and then we have our down here we have some sunflower microgreens. And so looks like we're now about to start the class and get things going. And so here's some gravel grow bottles, some wheatgrass. And so this is what it looks like for these plants in the back after 7 days, but a lot of these after 4 weeks. These are some of our gravel grow bottles. And so this is something that we're doing, that we've got going on at the soccer school, and really teaching students about the use of rock to grow plants of all types, from black eyed peas to kidney beans to wheatgrass to sunflower microgreens, and so to peas over here. Just a wide variety of plants. And that's the lesson of rocks, that it can grow a wide variety of plants and sustain them. But the point to look after is, in a lot of these containers, the water is shallow or drying up. If it dries up too bad, then it starts, the rock that can bring life becomes the rock that takes it away. So I was just here yesterday watering, and in one day it really drank up the water. And that's because right now there's a lot of mouths to feed, a lot of plants here to consume water. So in this kind of system, you really got to watch your watering. This water bottle system is a way to do that. But again, look at this. If you don't watch your watering, your roots will go below the water level. And so, above the water level, and then that can die it out. So just things you have to watch when doing GeoAg watering. Watch your water levels. All right, this is Richard Campbell a quick 5-minute overview of our indoor micro farm here at Southwest Atlanta Christian Academy, where today we're going to show the kids the evolution of these different plant types and also snack on these microgreens here growing in this white gravel from Home Depot. All right, talk to you soon.